everyone! In this video, let's look at a few songs that have notes around middle C. So we'll be practicing reading and playing as well. So before we start, make sure you sit on the first half of your piano bench and remember to relax your shoulders, your arms, and put your hands around middle C. Okay, let's get started. Now, the first song we're going to play is called Catch a Falling Star. It's on page 35 of the Faber adult piano book, all-in-one. So you're going to put your left hand, second and first finger on B and middle C. And you're going to put your right hand, let's use 2 and 3, on D and E. So your thumb will be sort of just hanging out down here, right next to your left hand thumb. Okay, so these are the 4 notes we need. Right, let's give it a try. It's in 4/4, so that means we'll have to count 4 beats per measure. 1, 2, 3, go. B, 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 B to C to right hand. Hold it, 5, 6, 7, 8. So between the last 2 measures, we have something called a tie. A tie is this curved line that connects 2 repeated notes. But the 2 notes have to be on the same line or space. They have to be the same note in order to be a tie. So when you see a tie, just make sure you play the first one and hold the second one for the length of both notes. Alright, so let's try that one more time. Remember, there are 2 space notes, B and D. Basically, the 2 space notes around middle C. And middle C has its own line, it's called a ledger line. And then another line note in the treble clef, which is E. Alright, let's try that one more time, maybe a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. B, to C, to D, D, E, D, to C, to B, to E, to D, 2, 3, 4. B, to C, to D, Alright, that's the first way you can play it. It's exactly the same as what the textbook says. Let's try another way. We're just going to play the whole thing with the right hand. Since there are only 4 notes, so it's not too bad to just play these 4 notes with your right hand. Just make sure your thumb is on B. B, C, D, E. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, see if we can do that in one hand. 1, 2, 3, go. Notice the gentle lift I'm doing at the end of the phrase, like right now. B, C, lift. Lift. Keep your wrist relaxed and stable. Alright, now let's make it even more fun. We're gonna add a couple notes in the left hand. So all we need are 2 notes, just pinky on G and thumb on D. Kind of like what we did in Ode to Joy. So you're just going to rotate these 2 notes, alternating them And we're gonna count 1 and 2 and 3, and 1, 1 and 2 and 3, 1, 1 and 2 and 3, 1, like that for the left hand. Okay, let's see if we can put this together. 1 and 2 and 3, go. Okay, let's move on. The second song we're going to play is the Russian folk song. So in this one, we have 5 notes, starting from A in the left hand, which is a line note, and B, space note, and then we're gonna switch to the right hand, thumb on middle C, D, second finger on D, which is a space note, and then third finger on E, which is sitting on the bottom line of the treble clef. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E, these 5 notes. Okay, and our first measure has a chord. A chord is when you play 3 notes or more at the same time. So here we have A, C, E. Okay, so let's start with the A minor chords. 1, 2, 3, go. And D, C, C, B2, A2. And repeat, same thing. B2, A2, B2, 3, C, D, C, C, B2, A2, B2, 3, C, D, C, C, B2, A2. Together. Let's try it one more time, and we'll be paying more attention to the dynamics this time. We have a few dynamic markings here. Forte means loud, and piano means soft. Okay, so let's try that again. In the beginning, we'll make it loud and with accent mark, so that gives a little extra punch to the note. 1, 2, 3, go. These are just regular notes. A little punchy, regular. B2, 3, C, 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 B2, A2. It's softer, it's piano here. And forte. That's the end of this video. I hope after practicing these 2 pieces, you'll feel a little more comfortable reading notes around middle C, and I'll see you next time.